Okay, as you can see, I've got the tent, and at some point in the day it's going to be in direct sunlight. It is under a tree, which gives me a bit of shade in the morning, but towards evening it's in full sunlight. And I've just been to the grocery store in town. One of the neighbours was going, so he called me and took me with him, and I bought some groceries, including butter, cheese and some fruit. But if I store it in the tent, it's not going to last very long. So I'm going to have to improvise a fridge. Okay, so first off we have my bottle of water and some good strong nylon cord. So I'll try and do this without putting the camera down. So I'll put that through there. That's probably a bit more string than I actually need, but I'll have to... There we go. Right. The last thing I want to do is drop the camera in the water, so I'm thinking swing over here. Okay. I've got my foot on the other end of the string so it doesn't all go in, but there goes the water. There we go. So the lid just floats above the surface, but I can always wipe that off before I drink. So let's just pull it up a little bit and tie that off. I'll put the camera down a second while I do this. Right, I've got my fruit, my butter and my cheese. I nearly lost 2 oranges there. Into a plastic bag. Now, there may be a couple of holes in that bag, which means it will leak, so I'm not putting the bread in, and I'm not too worried about the fruit and the oranges because they can be peeled and washed, and the butter and cheese are in sealed tubs. So let's get that in the water. Okay, so there's definitely a couple of holes in the bag, which means it is going to get water in it, so I will have to be extremely careful bringing it up and give the water time to drain out, so that there we go. Give the water time to drain out so that there's not too much weight on the bag. Ideally I would like a bag that I could sort of seal, a plastic big bag, and tie the top, put a brick or something in it to make it sink, because the further under the water it is, the cooler it's going to be. I can see the bag starting to sink. But that should do the job very well. And I've got my water in there, got my groceries in there, and anything that's in it. I can wash it once it comes up. So I'll just tie that off at a height so that the bag's not going to completely disappear underwater as it is. But bringing it up again, I'll be very careful to let the water drain out before I try and take the whole weight on the bag. And let's see how that does. It's early evening, and the sheep pens and the fields where they go in the evenings to spend the night are quite close to me. So on their way back to the pens, I get that lovely tinkling of bells, which I absolutely love. I keep getting told by a friend that I have absolutely no taste in music, so I decided I'm going to use the sheep bells as my backing track just to make a little noise, because I've decided to stop talking while making videos and just do it afterwards with the microphone.